Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. I'm back, guys, on behalf of Easy Profit 100. Okay, you've been seeing me talk about this for quite a while now. And you probably landed here because you're looking and you're searching online for a way to make some money online from home. Okay, that's probably why you end up landing on my page. Okay. This is an affiliate marketing channel. I'm a marketer, okay? I work from home full time, and I actually show you how to make money online, actually selling products or services, okay? And that's how you ended up here, okay? So, Easy Profit 100, guys, is a 7-year-old proven system. It was initially created as a direct mail program, okay, so that the average person could make money from home just simply mailing out postcards, okay. I've been an affiliate marketer for this company for 3 years now, okay. It's one of my all-time favorite postcard programs. Number one is because it's simple and easy, and the price point is awesome, okay. It's only a one-time $149 to get started. Okay, they pay weekly. All right, there's no monthly fees, and you get a website with this program so that you can track your sales. All right, you also going to be notified every time you receive $100 commissions. They're going to send you an email. All right, so great program, and it has what's called the reverse 2-up. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit and let you check that out. All right, a reverse 2-up. Okay, and what that means is you're going to pass up 2 people. Everyone passes up 2 people. Let me explain. This is direct sales. This is not network marketing or multi-level marketing. Okay, meaning once someone makes a purchase, okay, you're going to receive a commission, okay, for that, and you don't have to what we call recruit and get people on conference calls and things like that, okay? So with the 2-up leverage, all right, the first sale you're going to keep. All right, your second sale is going to pass up to your sponsor. And your third sale, you're going to keep. Your fourth sale passes up to your sponsor. And all your sales after that, you keep. So those 2 people that you pass up, they're going to have to pass up 2 people too, okay? So that's where this program provides leverage, okay, because those pass ups, okay, is unlimited. You can get infinite pass ups, okay, over and over and over and over. So every person that joins you owes you 2 sales, okay, and then when they pass up their 2, those 2 gonna owe you 2, okay. So this is a very powerful little program for it to be only $149 investment, okay, and you earn $100 every time you refer someone. Whoa. Bear with me, guys. My screen just flipped over. Hang on. There we go. Okay. All right. My screen flipped over for whatever reason. So, as it states here, there's no levels, guys. Okay, no levels. None. You see what it says here? No levels. It's just a horizontal, okay, horizontal pay line, okay, growing by the power of 2. Unlimited growth and income potential. Every member on your horizontal pay line gives you 2 paying members, no matter if you sponsor them or they were passed up to you. That's what's so powerful. And you earn $100 commissions from each one of them. Okay? Really, really, really powerful. All right? So I'm going to jump down here because I want to kind of focus on this. I want you guys to see there's no limit of the number of members you can sponsor. And this one is driven by the power of 2. So again, your first sale, you're going to get $100 back. You're going to invest $149. Your first sale, you're going to get $100 back. Okay. Now, there's various ways you can market this. You can market it with the postcards. Okay. You can do that. Or you can market it online. Okay. Or we recently added what we call our done for you services, where you have a department that will do all the promoting for you in marketing, and then they just put sign-ups under you. Okay, if you decide to do the postcards, you're going to order the postcards from this website, from your website. Okay, there's a company we recommend. It's on the website, and they charge $72.95 for 1,000 postcards. Okay, and your postcard stamps are 35 cents. You will not purchase the forever stamps. You're going to purchase postcard stamps. Okay, they're 35 cents, not 49 cents. Okay, if you decide you want to market it online, I can show you how to do that. Okay, so 3 different ways you can do this. Doesn't matter which one, you decide. Okay, so check out this comp plan. This is just an illustration. It's not a guarantee of income. It's an illustration to show you the possibilities of what you can make with this program. Okay, so take a look. First goes to you, you earn $100. Your second sale passes up. Your third sale goes to you. Fourth sale passes up, and as you can see, the rest of them you keep. Okay, so here's an example of 10 is what they wanted to show you. Out of the 10, you keep 8. The other 2 passed up. So you made $800, okay? But as you drill down into the horizontal pay line, bucks up front, okay? But each of those 8 people owe you 2 people, right? Okay, follow me. Let me say it again. You sign, okay? Now, each of those 8 have to pass up 2, right? So as you drill down into that horizontal pay line, 8 times 2 is 16, okay? And then 16 times 100, because you make $100 per sale, that's $1,600, okay? And then remember, so they have to pass up 2. Each of those 8 people, and then when they pass up their 2, they have to pass up 2. And then they have to pass up 2. And you see how the earning potential just keeps going and growing, okay? 2-up leverage can go on forever, creating unlimited $100 commissions for you, okay? So, and I like how he highlights it here. Why should you join? Because you're going to make $100 commissions for everybody you refer, okay? $100, nothing taken out. Unlimited income potential. There's no levels. You're going to make pass-ups, the second and fourth from everybody. Okay, so that's a huge commission potential that you can make there. And it's a perfect price point, $149 to get started. Okay, now of course, if you're going to market it offline, you're going to order postcards, 1,000 is $72.95, and then you get your stamps. And then you're going to get 120 leads with your kit of that $149. And then we're going to share with you where you can buy more leads at a great price. Okay, so awesome business, guys. You can't beat this. Okay, that's why I've been with it so long. Okay, now what I'm going to show you today, as I said, I have another testimony for you. So this system works. I've been showing this for proof that it's working for 3 years. So I'm going to show you another person that received a check from the program that is working. Okay, but I'm going to put my link below for it too, so you can check it out and call me if you have any questions. So let's check out this testimony.
Hey guys, it's Lori P here, Easy Profit 100, the done for you system. I just got my first commission check. So let's see if I can show it to you. It's paid to me, the Rayburn Group, and over here is the $100. I'm trying to get this right here. $100 paid to me, the Rayburn Group. The done for you system works. Y'all have to get this. Y'all have a good day now. Bye.
Okay, there you have it. Lori's got her check. Congratulations to Lori. And this is just going on and on, guys. I mean, there's lots of people that are signing up, that I haven't gotten a testimony from. But just know it is working. I've been showing you this by myself, showing it to you with all the